vibes. You know, we got the pate.
Code.
And we got the shikta right here with
The bon and peze. You got the pickles. Thierry Jonjon, bon and douce, legume, lambi, macaroni de catine. Question for you is, you know what this good for? I know.
Yo, you Haitian, bro? Before we eat, you gotta pray. Father God, please bless this food.
Bismillah. Merci, oui, Mange.
Yo, bro, it's...
Mes amis.
You just said miss on me?
Mes amis, this is fire.
I don't know what Haitian girl you was with.
Chill, you hot. Pickles is hitting. It's like a glorified empanada. Limuna dui. Come on.
We have the best
You
big
want some
macaroni,
Mange
better than
too?
Jamaicans and Trinidad.
That. Mes amis, boy. Woo.
Yo, what's going on here?
I will hold you the bon and douce is kicking, bro. Poulet de apple, pour la patrie.
Bro,
Yo, what you know about my national anthem, bro?
Bro.
Enjoy that, my boy.
I'm way. Nah, the lentil touch, crazy. Boy, I appreciate you, bro. Cheers.
Hope you enjoy, my boy.
Canala Pap Cafe. You thought you was gonna teach me a thing or two, huh?